welcome to another hair review, guys. Thank you to Beauty Forever for sponsoring this video. Let's get into it. I am going to do an install and I'm so excited because give me any type of curly wig, okay? It's gonna be quick, easy, looking crazy, but I'm gonna be slayed because the makeup is already done. Now we're gonna see, I think they have a new style of wig that we're gonna get into, okay? Let's get into it. We have the wig right here, yes. It is a curly wig, I can see that much. I wanna see all the goodies that we received in the bag. I do have a edge comb. I love these because they give you an extra one. We have two different wig caps. Yeah, so wig caps definitely needed. We have an edge band, Beauty Forever edge band, and we have the wig, and we're gonna get into the details of this wig because it's a curly wig, but they did something different to it. So I'm super excited for that. This is how it is in the back. We're gonna go in, open that. Like I said, it's a 7x5. This is how the lace is looking. Absolutely love it. And this wig, it's so beautiful, I can tell you that, okay? It's a pre-everything wig. I love the curls, but they did something new to this one. So it is called the 7x5 Glueless Finger Curls wig. And it is 150 density. So I'm so excited. Let's open the wig. Because there's finger curls at the front. And this is how the lace is when you take it off. The hair is already prepped, so I love that. Underneath, the lace is pre-bleach. Look at that. So there's nothing needed unless you want to tint the lace, most definitely. We also have a band. You guys know I love a band on my wigs. And of course, we have a comb, adjustable comb. Love this. So we're gonna get into the install. I said it's 150 density. This is how the pin curls are. I know you guys are seeing that. You pull it. I'm so excited to see how these are gonna look. Yes, so they did the finger curls at the front, and that's how it looks. You seeing it, right? Yes, you are. So this is it. So you're gonna definitely get your wigs. They're changing up their style of wigs, and I absolutely love that. Now I'm gonna fix up and I will be back. If you guys are new, welcome. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Stick around.
Hands up like a pole. Your love is divine. It never subsides. Seen through creative manifestations. That's been through here generations. Never failed me, never failed me. From the beginning of time, I will come running to you. I always come running to you. I will come running to you. I will run coming to you, call. Your love don't divide, no. Every day multiply. It got me on a high, no. Addition, no minus. Your love don't divide, no. Every day multiply. It got me on a high, no. Addition, no minus. It's like ABC, yeah. Simple as 1, 2, 3. It's like ABC, yeah. Simple as 1, 2, 3.
I wonder how it felt to cross the Red Sea after Israel was set free. Oh, what a crazy sight to see.
Okay guys, so we are done. I'm gonna wait for this to dry. And I'm definitely gonna use the blow dryer for a minute, but we're gonna go in and wait for it to dry. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna put some off because we're gonna add some layers Guys, so most of the hair is dry. I'm gonna go in. We are gonna razor cut some of the hair, just a little bit. Definitely gonna add some layers to it. Alright guys, this is how the hair looks. Come on now, I know you guys are gonna love this wig. I just know it. Because it's so fluffy, I want this part to be like this. Ah, yes, this is it guys. What do you guys think about this wig? I think I want to show you guys also another style to this, but it's giving vacation ready, girl. It's giving coming from your scalp, Crissy. Yeah, I love the finger curls because it just kind of pops the curl a little bit more. And you guys saw that I razor cut down some of the front just to give it a different flow, customization. That's what it's called, okay? Beauty Forever, you did this on this closure wig. Guys, you can just slip it on. You ain't got to worry about nothing. And if you guys look, you see the lace. I kind of prepped it so it looks like it's coming from my scalp with just a little sweep of baby ear looking thing to the side. Yeah, because I wanted to have that natural effect. But how does it look? This is the final look. The curls feel super soft. And you guys saw that I used water and some of this Lotta body. That's what it's called. Yeah. So this is how it looks. It's giving vacation ready. Are you guys ready? Because I am ready, okay? Look how fluffy it is for only 150 density. Love, love, love it. And it's not going nowhere. Alright guys, let's go in and try to do a pin-up. I am going to do that, yes. So let's see what we got, because the hair is very versatile, okay? And because it's a curly wig, even though I told you guys it's a closure, like look at that. Even though it's a closure wig, you can go in and do whatever you want. I'm just playing with it right now. Let's see what we come up with.
In Jesus' name, I'm showing codes, I ain't staying with you. Oh my mama, let your brother fall down, a lot of dishonor. The blood on your hands when you don't say nothing. If you love him, then you gotta say something. Say something. We need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We need Jesus. We need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We need Jesus.
I was down for the count. You moved me through more rounds, through every up, every down. I'm calling on my savior. I got you direct like a connector. I know your ring won't let up. 'Cause you get it all. It was you all by yourself. Oh, else should I? Only you are.
Alright guys, so this is the same hair, yes, Beauty Forever. I'm actually on vacation right now and I reinstalled this wig to a side part. I'm here today to show you guys how I create the finger curls in the wig. So we're gonna get into that. It's been like 3 days, so it's a bit messy. I'm gonna put some product in it and create like these finger waves. Let's do that, guys. So this is how it looks with the finger coil to it. You can pull these open if you want to. Absolutely love it. I think I'm gonna wear it like this. So this is how you create like the finger coil curls, and you can do this. It's super easy, super simple. This is all you gotta do and you're good to go. So this is how it looks. I'm gonna leave it like this. Just imagine me pulling out these finger coils tomorrow, how beautiful they will look. So this is how it looks. Absolutely love it. It's stunning. And like I said, I was just freelancing, showing you guys a side part. It is a closure wig, so big up yourself, okay? Beautiful right here. Thanks again, and I will see you guys in the next one. Guys, this is a very simple updo. I love it. I think I'm gonna leave it like this. Very simple, just showing you guys the versatility of this wig, but I kind of like it. What are your thoughts? It's a closure, remember, so it's very flexible as a closure. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Absolutely enjoy installing this wig. I'll definitely have a coupon code for you guys, so make sure you check the description. All the links will be there, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Bye.
I just pray the sins are forgiven. My soul hurt every time I give in. My stand cemented, no slipping. You been right there from beginning. The story been written. Gotta remind myself when that doubt try to kick in. Came too far to be stagnant. Foot on demons' necks, letting them have it. We fall from average, cut from different fabric. The garment on my God fit snug, no dragging. I came from savage to 40-day fasting. The war is on your mind, but your mind is on your caption. Capture the minds of the fragile. Heartbreaks casual. Only if you knew who you was. Actual. What's it like wearing the crown when it ain't matching you? If you were king of the kingdom, you need it in your castle.